Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make this popcorn chicken. Kids love it, adults love it. I know that you will too. The ingredients you're going to need is a boneless, skinless chicken breast. Now if you're going to use 2 chicken breasts or even 3 or 4, you're going to want to double the other ingredients you see here. You're going to need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. For the coating, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of panko crumbs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to need 2 to 3 cups of vegetable oil. Let's go ahead and cut our chicken down into cubes. Cut the chicken in strips. The cutting board, we're just going to turn it this way and cut them down into bite-sized pieces. If you want to just cut 1 strip at a time, you may. You're looking for pieces this size. Add your bite-sized pieces of chicken to a medium-sized bowl. Add the white vinegar along with that salt, pepper, and chili. Give it a lovely little tossing. Sit your chicken off to the side and let it marinate while we make the coating. In a shallow dish, I'm adding the panko crumbs, the flour, and those seasonings. Incorporate these dry ingredients until they're well blended. In a bowl, we're going to add that 1 egg. Give it a lovely little whisking. Take our chicken, give it a little egg wash bath. Just let it drip off and put it over here in your dry ingredients. Gently just coat your pieces of chicken. You can use your fingers if you want, and lie them over here on a plate. I'm down to my last few bites of chicken. Look, these are going to be absolutely fantastic. On the stovetop, I've got a 2-quart saucepan over medium heat, and I'm adding enough vegetable oil to come up about 1.5 inches from the bottom of our pan here. Let's check our oil. Give it a lovely little stirring with the fork because you don't want hot pockets of oil in there. Dip the corner of the chicken in. If it starts sizzling, that means it's ready to fry. And if you have a frying pan where you can register 350, 375 degrees Fahrenheit on it and fry your chicken in your frying pan, that would be perfect too. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken. I'm going to add a couple of more. Just want to make sure they're not sticking together. These are going to fry anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. Look how fantastic. I'm turning off that timer. This popcorn chicken turned out. Oh yeah, fantastic. Looky there at that popcorn chicken. And I've got a dip, not necessary, but this is a ranch dip, or you can use a sriracha dip or a barbecue dip, whatever you like, honey mustard, you get the idea. But I'm going to show you what the inside of these look like, and they smell so delicious. Look at that, perfectly tender meat. Gotta give it a try. Crunchy, loaded with flavor. That garlic, paprika, the crunch on the panko crumbs just puts it over the top. You gotta give these a try. I mean, look at that. Who wouldn't love it? Thanks a million for watching wherever you are in the world. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos, and I'll catch you lovely people later.